In this lecture, we will learn what is filter and how to work in filter. Now, filter means to extract the specific data from the whole table by applying some condition. It shows only those records which satisfy the conditions. It can be done by two methods. One is auto filter or custom filter, another is advanced filter. In this I will cover auto filter or custom filter. For this, first I have to enable the filter or turn on the filter. These are the steps and this is the shortcut. Now we will do in Excel. Now I am going to the Excel sheet. For this I am choosing the employee table. To enable it, first place the cell pointer on any heading of the table, go to the sort and filter. This is the filter. Or I can choose the shortcut Alt H then S then F. It will turn on the filter. Now we will do this with some queries. First query is show all names which start from letter E and ends with letter Y. I am going to apply the filter on the column first name. Click on filter, go to the text filter. I will choose begins with. I can choose any one of them. This is the begins with. It will open this custom auto filter window. Same window will appear when I will go for custom filter. Now here I am choosing the operator begins with, and here you type letter E, then AND operator. If both conditions are satisfied, then it will select those records. This is ends with. Y, it can be small or it can be capital. It is showing the name whose starting name is capital E and last letter is E, Y. Now clear this filter, or you can press Ctrl Z. The another query is whose salary is greater than equal to 20,000 and less than 50,000. Now I am going to apply filter on salary. Go to salary. This is the number filter. I am going to choose between. This is salary is greater than equal to 20,000 and less than 50,000. When there is a range, there we always choose AND. It is showing I have applied filter on the salary column. It is showing only records whose salary is 20 to 50,000. Now clear it. Now the next is employees working in finance department or technical department. Or I can choose from here also deselect marketing and purchasing because I require only finance and technical. Then OK. The same I can apply from here also. Custom filter department equals to. This is the finance and technical. Now clear it. Now date of joining. Employees date of whose date of joining is of October month. Date filter. Then go to all date in the period. I can choose from here or I can apply the custom filter. I am writing 10. This is the October month. Oops, it doesn't show any result. Clear it. I am going using some another method. Now here I am choosing October. it is showing all the employees who joined in October month. It doesn't showing this. Now clear this filter. Now I want to show employees whose names contain Y. This is date of joining is between 1990 to 2000. Go to the date of joining, custom filter, date of joining. Here I am writing the date and I am choosing between operator. Write two dates, then OK. It is showing all the employees who have date of joining is 1990 to 2000. Clear it. Now the next query is whose name contain Y. Text filter, choose contains, then write Y. It will show all names which contains Y. Clear it. Now whose name doesn't contain Y. Again text filter, here I am choosing doesn't contain and again Y. It will show all names who doesn't have contain any Y. Now clear it. Now turn off the filter by clicking on filter. This is all about basic filter. Advanced filter we will do in next lecture.